Okay, so here's code practice question 2, and the directions want you to do the same thing, except we're going to adjust it this time to make it for sponsored events. In other words, the Olympian who wins gets a extra bonus for winning. How much ever the person, how many ever dollars is given to that. So it's going to be two parameters: the string of the gold medals, which we've already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and an integer for the sponsored dollar amount. It will either return the integer for the money won or a string invalid if the amount is invalid. So they can win more than one medal per day, and they can make more money that way, obviously. So we're going to want to adjust the code from the last function. So everything else is pretty much going to start the same way. Okay, so here we go. Except this time our get winnings, the function is defined as G and S, where G is the number of gold medals and S is the sponsored money added. Again, there's a colon back there. So if G equals 1, again in quotes, colon, return 7,500 plus S, because that's going to be an input the person's going to do. So all those numbers are the same. LF, 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 and else, return invalid. Excuse me. So far, so good on that. So everything's the same. We just have an S. So you could have copied the code and added an S. Okay, and again, we want to know the number of medals won. And then we want to know for how many dollars was your event sponsored. So sponsored, again, use whatever variable you want to. That's an awful long. I'd probably just use S because I'm that way equals integer input for how many dollars. So then we're going to the total or T or Y or whatever, get winnings, medals, comma, sponsored. So these two variables, comma between, that's how we're going to run our function because that's how G and S are defined up here. Then we're going to print your prize money is and then do a string total. Again, this variable is whatever goes this variable. These two variables come from here and they take the place of the G and S up in our function. Okay, that was a lot easier than the others. Any questions? Well, of course not. Hope you have a good day.